Good evening, guys and ladies. I want to tell you the story about the washing machine. One day I thought I must prove out my old washing machine if I can do sex there with my young lover. The machine already had a bit functional disorder. But anyway, I set me on it when it was spinning, and I felt there a good vibration in my pussy. So I don't want it to go away, and I felt that I would come there. So I had an orgasm on it. And a little bit later, the washing machine was dead. I had been too heavy for it. What a pity. That was a very expensive orgasm.